Adding a Chase business card to the Chase application is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open the Chase mobile application on your smartphone. Then sign in to the account that you want to add the business card to. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the application and select Manage Linked Accounts. Then choose Show My Accounts. You will see a list of all your Chase accounts, including your business card account. Then tap on the Link Relationship button next to the card you want to add. Now follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the linking process. And you may need to provide additional information, such as your social security number and the account number of your business card. Once the linking process is complete, you'll be able to view your business card account information and transactions in the Chase application.